Welcome back to the tutorial. This is lesson 2. So in lesson 2 we are going to talk about elements. So before we do that, let's know how to structure our simple HTML document. So we do that by declaring the HTML document type. Okay, let's declare the HTML document type, which is doc type HTML. So the next thing we are going to do is to declare our root element, which is your HTML root element. So within the root element, we are going to have two major elements, which is your head element, and within the head element, you're going to have a title. So what is this title all about? The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser title bar or the page tabs. Okay, this is my first tutorial. Sorry, this is my first tutorial. So I save and preview in my browser. So this is the page title bar, so it is showing. Now let's go back to our text editor. Next thing we have to do is the most important, let me say most important element within this root folder, root element rather. So it's the body element. So the body element defines the document's body, and it is a container for all the visible contents, such as the headings, the paragraph, images, hyperlinks, table, links, etc. Many more. So everything, this is a visible part. Whatever you put in this body, you're going to see it displayed to your users. Okay, let's make one example. Your h1 element, I'll say this is my h1 element. Wow, I can't type fast. So let's preview. This is my h1 element. Now let's go back to our text editor. Let's check our paragraph element. The paragraph element, which is the p. This is my paragraph element. That's it. So you know how this works. So what is an element, or what is HTML element? An HTML element defines it is defined by the start tag, some content, and end tag. This is your start tag, this is your start tag, and this is your content. Okay, I hope you can see this very well. Let me reduce it. Okay, better. So this is your start tag, this is your element. Wow, this is your content. Wow, what's happening? So this is your content, or these are your content, and this is the end. What was happening, man? Now this is your end tag. So what element is defined? You define element, you call something an element in this HTML if it has a start tag, some content, and an end tag. But note, not all of them have an end tag. So Watson, you understand the meaning of. So let me give you an example of some HTML. Like I said, some HTML element has no content between them. So element like, let me say, break, don't have content between it. It will just split this line of this paragraph tag to break it, so I to go to the next line. Let's preview. You see, if I remove it, it will be on the same line. So that's all for Element. See you in the next tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be uploading videos every day on this channel concerning web development. Every day you will have something to learn. See you and remain safe.